Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we will walk through 3 different ways to debug a Crestron home driver. So let's get started. The first method is by using the Crestron text console, which is part of the Crestron Toolbox application. Once you open the program, the first thing you need to do is select the appropriate Crestron home processor from the drop-down menu at the bottom. After selecting the processor, you'll see the model name displayed, and from there, you can start entering commands. It's good to know that you can see a list of all available commands simply by typing help all and pressing enter. There are 2 important steps when it comes to debugging a Crestron home driver. First, if you want to receive messages in the console, you need to type the command enableprogramcmd, which allows program messages to appear. Second, in the Crestron Home Setup app under the platform settings, go to Advanced and check the option Enable Logging. This ensures that you receive logs from the specific driver, provided the driver has proper logging implemented. Once this is enabled, you'll see the information flowing into the console, and you can clearly identify whether the logs are system level or coming directly from the driver. The second method is by using the software Putty. In Putty, select port 22, set the connection type to SSH, and enter the IP address of your Crestron home processor. You'll then be prompted to enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll notice that the logs you see are the same as in the Crestron text console. The third method is by using the built-in Diagnostics tool inside the Crestron Home Setup app. From the root of the app, navigate to Settings and then select Diagnostics. Under Logs, you'll find a history of log files organized by date. By opening the most recent logs, you can view the same information as in the other consoles. The advantage here is that past logs are saved directly on the Crestron home processor, allowing you to review historical data, not just the live output. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any suggestions or feedback, feel free to share them. We're always listening. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.